Hello, today I will be addressing some issues or concerns regarding the Canadian immigration, specifically sponsorship application. I will be answering some questions about or regarding applications that may be ongoing or application that may be about to be submitted. So the first question that I will answer right now is someone just sent me this question, and then I just want to make it public. I just want the public to benefit from this because many people may be looking for this kind of answer to resolve pending applications, or maybe application that will be about to be submitted. So the question is this: I am a Canadian and would like to sponsor my husband. We got married in June 24th, 2023. We are currently living in my husband's country of residence. Is it better to stay there with him and wait for the application to be completed, or is it better I return to Canada and wait for his sponsorship completion? So this particular question is kind of a little bit tricky and complicated. So normally it deals with, or it talks about someone a Canadian who has traveled and is living out of Canada and will want to, has got married to someone in the country out of Canada, and they are living together. And the Canadian will want to sponsor their spouse. So the question here is to find out if by sponsoring their spouse, they will have to stay in that country, wait till the application is over, or it is better for them to travel back to Canada and then wait here in Canada until the application is over or is approved or is completed. So the answer to this question, in general, as a Canadian, you can be out of the country as long as you want, and the process of the application can continue. The only thing that you may need to do is to prove that you will want to relocate to Canada after the approval of the permanent residence of your spouse or your husband or your wife. You will have to prove that. And how do you prove it? You will have to prove, you can prove it by letters from family members or relatives that they are aware that you will be relocating to Canada with your husband. You can prove it that you have gotten a job in Canada, that you may not longer stay or live in that country where you are living currently. And you can also prove it that you have a house, a home here in Canada, that when you relocate, you don't have problems of where you will live. So that is the most, I would say, most important thing that you can use in order to submit that application. That is the answer of your question. Please, if this is the first time you are coming across my video, I would like you to share this video. Let it go viral. Let it go viral to those who really need this particular answer to solve their problems, their immigration issues. Share it, let it go viral. And if you have any questions regarding your application, please drop your comments and I will get back to you. And please like, share, and subscribe. You can follow me as long as you will want more information regarding, issues about immigration or other. So the next question here about the spousal sponsorship application is this. My husband is out of status. We submitted his permanent residence application. Do we apply to restore his status? He was on a work visa that expired December 2021. And can he apply for an open work permit? This is a question to know if they can apply for restoration of status. So to apply if they can request for his status to be restored, or if he can also apply for a work permit. That is the question. So the answer to this question is that a status cannot be restored when it is expired more than 90 days. So when you have a temporary status and that particular document, the validity of the document expires and it is more than 90 days of expiration, you cannot restore it anymore. So at that time, you become out of status. So as long as the application of permanent residency is ongoing, the immigration is going to notice that the husband is out of status. And now, for your husband to apply for an open work permit, what they need, or what you will need to do, both of you, is to wait until your husband receives eligibility, what we call approval in principle. So the eligibility will grant him the right to be able to apply for an open work permit at that time. Meanwhile, keep waiting for the completion of the permanent residence application. Please, if this is the first time you are coming across my video, like, share, subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook. My Facebook page is El Detective. Share this video, let it go viral. I believe and I hope that is going to help many people. Anybody or anyone who has concern, who has some questions regarding their application, please drop your comment. I will get back to you. Thank you.